And you'll hear with drones, people will say, it's all about the data. It's not really about the data. We're getting overwhelmed by the data. We have data chaos. I want to take the data and make it into information, take that information and make it into knowledge. And if we're really, really good, we'll make it into wisdom. And that's where you're getting the best bang for your buck with the data you're achieving and you're acquiring from the unmanned systems. I served our country for 20 years in uniform, and I feel that that service is equal to the honor it is to work with Cherokee Nation. And the stuff that we do with that 37% that we give back to the tribe is spectacular in the form of education and healthcare and STEM and bringing up the next generation of unmanned system operators and technicians. This technology is inevitable. It's spreading very, very quickly, and I'm glad that Cherokee Nation's a big part of it.